Hi, there's a lot of money online, but in this video, I'll explain the easiest way to make it. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make money in 2024. All you need to do is simply repeat after me and grasp the main points, If you know how to use critical thinking even a tiny bit, I'm sure I'm telling you, you got it. So today we're trading on financial markets. I'll show you a simple strategy that is easy to handle even by beginners. If you have yet to join any platform, you can feel free to sign up for the one I work with. The link will be in the description below this video. If you are not entirely new to the field, it doesn't matter that much, it's just that the interface may vary from one platform to another. So sometimes things might get confusing. But anyway, we open the platform and now we are making a deposit. Click finance and the deposit. There are multiple ways to top up, one of them being cryptocurrency. Let's say we want to choose Tether, USDT. We're entering $200 for instance, and there's also this button. You can click if you have a promo code for a pleasant bonus. If you're interested, you can find one on my Telegram channel by the link in the description. So type in the promo code in and click it right here to continue. All we gotta do now is transfer our USDT to this address. We can copy the digits or simply scan the QR code. The account balance top up normally takes around 10 minutes, so amazing, our deposit has arrived. Now I suggest we figure out the way charts are to be set, along with proper ways to pick currency pairs and find the best entry points. Basically, we're talking all the settings you're going to need in terms of this particular strategy. We can select any currency pair in the top left corner. There are normal currencies over here, cryptocurrencies just as well. There are also commodities and stocks. Basically, we can choose any asset that would be convenient for us. I'm just used to trading with normal currency pairs, so let's settle for them this time. Now we also want to set the chart. There are 4 chart types, those being the linear type, candles, bars, and Heiken Ashi, etc. Most people trade using Japanese candles, so that's the kind we're going for today too. Next, we also have such an option as a time frame. Today we're going to be trading with 1 minute deals, so the time frame should be set for 1 minute just as well. Now each candle represents 1 minute of the market basically. There are also lots of indicators. We might need them for some other more complicated strategies that I, by the way, cover on my channel just as well. We can also use these drawing tools or place rectangles as extra navigation companions. Speaking of, our today's strategy implies highlighting the levels and trading accordingly, along with using basic logic. Obviously, we're going to be looking for points the price may bounce off of, such as support and resistance levels. This way we can locate 2 rectangles and determine the levels of resistance and support. On the right, we can set the deal's expiry. We can pick M1, might as well use S30, but today we're sticking to 1 minute trades. So clicking here, M1, then we got to decide on the trades amount. Let's say it's $50 now. I suggest we're all set now. Let me find a proper case to demonstrate to you or today's strategy within. Now I'm going to explain to you guys how to detect levels. So we've got this nice example. We're going to find the area the price bounces off of most often. It's getting clear if we draw a line through these points right here. So we drill near it and see the price did bounce off of this level after approaching it each time. That is our resistance level. Basically, look, the price approaches the level and then either bounces off of it, reversing back down, or the price overcomes the line a tiny bit and reversed anyway at some point. These intersections stand for a little breakout. The price is not likely to retrace a tiny bit and resume rising further. Take a glance right here also. This is a potential breakout. There's already been 3 of them, nevertheless the price kept on reversing. So yeah, we'll look for these price values and highlight them with a rectangle in order to make things more visually comprehensive in the chart. And that's what we rely on when we trade, meaning as soon as the price approaches the level, we'll place a trade in the opposite direction expecting a retracement. We're also going to need some kind of confirmation of said retracement. We might as well draw a support level, which is the bottom level the price bounced off of. The same way the price approaches the level quite often. There was even one huge breakout. However, the piece came back into the channel anyway. Is now floating at the levels we highlighted. So yeah, I hope everything's clear so far. So here they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations of the support level value. We can tell the price could easily bounce off of it and move towards the resistance level. I'm sure you got it. Let's apply the knowledge in practice now. This chart suits us just fine. Let's draw the resistance level, placing it around here. suggesting the price bounced off of this area quite often. Technically, it may go a bit further, but that doesn't matter at the moment. Let's change the color to red, actually, as to not mix it up with our further drawings. Let's draw another rectangle and locate it at this post support level, and the price bounces off of 2. That's a bit of a more global level. Let's place it right here at the closest local area. Now we can trade at these levels. What we're gonna do is looking for a potential retracement from the drawn areas. But first, let's wait for the red candle to close. So we make sure to do that in order to witness the level getting confirmed. The level will be confirmed as relevant as soon as the red candle closes and gets followed by a new green one. The candle closed. Now let's wait for at least one green candle that would indicate a retracement. It's gonna settle in 1 minute. While the candle has yet to settle, it's better to abstain from placing any trades because it's quite risky, guys. We want to see the price bounced, getting confirmed. The candle ended up green. Let's place the trade upwards. Amazing, our trade closed in a profit. Let's carry on. Another great example, let's draw our levels right away. Everything's just as simple here, that there's a clear level over there, waiting for the candle to close and placing a trade upwards. Potentially the price might reach the top levels. We didn't care to draw it. We don't have that much time to spare because, you know, it's too obvious anyway, I guess. So we place the trade. Let me actually draw the area so that you can understand what level we're waiting for the price to reach. We expect the price to get here, although we could actually care less whether it reaches the level entirely or not. Our trade only lasts 1 minute. We can see the chart was previously downward, now it's morphing into an upward one. We can see the price reach the support level and displayed a further retracement confirmation, so we're gladly observing the process waiting for the trades to close. Let's see how it goes. Our trade successfully closed in a profit. Amazing performance. Another great example right here. Let's see. Here is the resistance level. It's been confirmed thrice, and here is our support level. There is currently a downtrend over here, so the price is very likely to bounce at this point. Waiting for the candle to settle and place a trade downwards. The candle is closed. Let's place a trade downwards. My forecast for the price is reaching this area. It might retrace until about this level. However, it's not that important to us on a global level. Yeah, we can see the downtrend. So it's just another corrective retracement before the further downfall. The trade steadily closed in a profit. Let's carry on. Quite a convenient example we're facing. Look, there was an extended growth. The price is now rapidly bounced off of the resistance level. I think we can feel free to enter downwards at this point. It's pretty obvious here. We can see multiple red candles already, 5 of them or something, I guess, starting at this exact level right here. The price did attempt to reach the resistance area once again, but didn't succeed to, and eventually started falling. Yep, our trade successfully closed in a profit, and as we can see, the price might as well keep going further down with little corrections along the way, but I think we're done with this asset. So that's how we managed to earn some funds today. I hope you did too. I also hope you were watching carefully and got the whole point of the strategy. Don't forget that you can find lots of useful content via the links in the description to my Telegram channel. If you want to make money with me online, you can find a bunch of interesting videos and articles about over there. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Like this video and subscribe to the channel.